Welcome back. It's time now for the Financial Week. In a world where travel is becoming more expensive and uncertainty looms over global markets, Jamaica's tourism industry is being tested. But the sector is not backing down. Instead, it's doubling down on culture, cuisine, and creativity to keep Jamaica a top destination. Sandy Williams reports.
Bright displays, bold flavors, and big ambitions. More than 70 tourism players under one roof, showcasing the very best of Jamaica. Inside the Go Jamaica Travel Expo, there's defiance and a determined push forward. From hotels to airlines to craft vendors and culinary specialists, the expo is designed to connect, collaborate, and convert interest into arrivals.
Jamaica is open, ready, and doing business. We have, over the first 3 months of 2026, received over 1 million visitors and earned almost $1 billion US dollars from travel, from arrivals. If that is not a testament to the fact that we have really shown true resilience as an industry. And with that, I want to tip my hat to my partners in the destination who have really worked with the government.
But beyond the vibrant displays, the reality is harder to ignore. Rising oil prices are driving up airfare and putting pressure on the entire travel chain.
So our fuel cost has gone through the roof right now. And so what we have to do, unfortunately, is we have to adjust some of our prices to cover the cost of the fuel. Even though we're not able to pass on the real cost to the passengers, but at the same time we're seeing the impact. It's affecting our passenger load, so persons are now choosing, do I really need to travel versus do I need to do a local vacation?
Hotels are feeling it too. Guests are still arriving, but spending differently.
So we have had a lot of persons shorten their stays because of the higher costs, and as well as when they come to Jamaica and stay in Negril, some persons are not doing as much. They're not doing as much tours, not eating out as much. They're trying to, be a little more budget friendly.
We have not been sleeping. We have been ensuring that we are giving the best value for money for everyone, not just those international clients, but for our Jamaican residents as well. So we want to ensure that we're giving that bang for the buck.
And that shift is changing what tourism looks like. It's no longer just about sun and sand. It's about story, culture, and connection.
I think cultural has been a big buzzword for us. In fact, we started right before Hurricane Melissa to develop what we call the Taste and Tales tours, not only here in Jamaica, but all across the Caribbean, where we're infusing our love for, of course, Jamaican cuisine. We know is very popular, with, of course, our love for rum. And we have partners with Jablum, we have partners with Appleton, and of course local vendors to bring this kind of farm-to-table experience as well. We actually had a farm-to-table tour also launched at our Ocean Outpost at Sandy Bay, so really incorporating those as options for our guests.
For small businesses on the ground, tourism isn't just an industry, it's survival.
Tourism is crucial. We sell our products in many hotels. We do the tours and the tasting. So if you don't have tourists, you definitely feel it. It's a good 40% of your business.
With rising oil prices impacting travel costs, companies here at this expo are highlighting unique experiences from cuisine to culture as they work to keep Jamaica attractive and competitive. Now, from hotels to transportation providers, innovation and collaboration will be key to sustaining growth in the months ahead. Reporting from the Go Travel Expo at the Jamaica Pegasus, I am Sandy Williams for TVJ News.
Thank you very much, Sandy. The JSE index advanced by 320 points, while the junior market index declined by 7 points. The winners include 138 Student Living Jamaica, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, First Rock Real Estate Investments, Edufoca Limited, Tropical Battery. The losers include Proven Group, Jetcon Corporation, Cargo Handlers, Everything Fresh, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, 24 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $157.52. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.90. The pound is going for $212.08, while the euro is selling for an average $186.30. And that's the Financial Week. News from overseas and our bite of the week after the break.